what they're doing. And today we have Brendon Davis from the Davis Companies, who's an FBA, Family Business Association finalist for the First Generation Award. Welcome, Brendon.
Thank you very much.
Brendon, why don't you tell us first about the Davis Companies?
Sure. The Davis Companies is a 28-year-old national staffing company. My father started the business back in the early 80s out of his basement, so I definitely grew up in the business, him coming up the stairs and me in a high chair, and was right back down to work. So being able to grow up in the business was a big piece, but have also, since graduated college, joining the business and been with the company 7 years, and now run operations for our headquarters based out of Marlboro, and also for some of our startup ventures out in Minneapolis, Minnesota, as well as a trucking services division called DTS, Davis Transportation Services.
Great. So was this your father's first venture?
No, my father was he was actually a truck driver. Graduated the 10th grade. Had a full gambit of jobs growing up in many different walks of life. And after meeting my mother, my mother's family was actually in the staffing business.
So she's the brains behind the family.
She is, yeah. And she was
Just
able
joking,
to.
Dad.
She was my uncle. Her maiden name is Judge, and Judge is also a national, very large staffing company based out of New Jersey. So after going to work, learning the business, he was transferred up here and was able to spin off and started his own business. And now we exist today in 5 different states, and are an incredible business based on the people that we work with.
Very nice. So I don't apologize again to Dad. I was just joking around. I used to be a Teamster, so I used to work in warehouses. So I think that good roots are good. Tell us a little bit more about the business. What kind of staffing you do?
Sure. So the models that we use have to do with contract labor or temp employment, as well as temp to hire, so kind of a try before you buy model, as well as direct hire employment. And that ranges in industries and spans from small startup organizations all the way up to Fortune 500 customers. So we're able to come into an organization depending if they need admin, clerical, manufacturing, engineering, variety of support functions within any business, and we can have recruiters that are dedicated and niche focused to be able to fill those positions within those organizations, helping them kind of ebb and flow with their business needs.